You mentioned something you wanted to discuss?
There was an organized hit on Special Division. Public safety would have seen it coming. I'm betting you knew about it and let it happen anyway.
You'll recall that I was targeted as well.
You can play whatever kind of fucked up games you like. Bury every last dog I train. I'll be willing to let all that slide if you're doing it for humanity's sake. Big if, though.
I have only one intention, to save as many people as possible from devils.
You're full of shit.